Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free, mainly beauty. Let's get into a Project Pan update. I'm pretty excited about this, and I did kind of curl my hair, so let me know if you like that. You can't really tell because my hair is so dark. I will be getting it colored at the end of the month. Let me know if you know anything about gray blending or any suggestions. I know you can't see it from far away, but there's some grays. I just have really dark hair and my hair grows really fast, so I'm thinking about doing like whatever it is, demi-permanent, just so it doesn't like have that demarcation line. Okay, enough. So in my Project Pan, I have the items right here. I'll show you the update, and I'll put on the screen too, like where we started a couple months ago. This is the Seraphine Botanicals Geranium and Glow Blush and Highlight Palette. So I still have not hit pan on this shade, but I think the holes are getting, like the pan size is getting larger in this one, especially. I've been trying to mix it in, even though I'm trying to mix it when I use the other blushes, but I think this one's getting bigger and hopefully getting pan on that one soon. I have my kids are on their tablets. I know, screen time, oh my God. The Nomad Around the World blush. I've been using this, I used to use it like consistently every day, but I just got bored and it just is messy, but I still love it. I'm still gonna be really sad when I'm done with it. Not like huge changes, I don't think, at least. And then I think this one is getting bigger, and hopefully this is not bad. And it's like 3 years old. The Dominique Cosmetics Warm Peach blush, the cream blush in Warm Peach. I'd say the dip is getting pretty large. And then I don't know if there's like it's like hard around here. So still working for me. I haven't had any reaction to it. And then another oldie. This might be my oldest blush. It might be almost 4 years old. I don't know if that's okay. And somehow it closes now. Before it wasn't closing, but now randomly it's closing. Okay. So the pan's getting larger, and this cream blush is just, I think blushes in general are just hard to use up. I don't know if that's just me, but the LYS blush in Kindness. I do really like it, so I'm gonna be kind of sad, but it's okay. I can always get another one, try something else. Then from Tarte, this is the Breezy Cream Blush in Peach Sunset. I don't know if I made progress. I'm interested to see the comparison, but I mean, getting somewhere. It looks like a science experiment, kind of. Hopefully not, but they get kind of ugly at the end. And then the Gen C lipstick in Margaret. I think I made a little bit of progress. I like this a lot. I haven't purchased from Gen C since, not because I don't want to, it's just they're kind of pricey. Well, no, take that back. On Mercari, but just not from the site. And then the Lawless lip gloss, I don't believe I made a dent. I know I should be marking this. Maybe I'll do that after. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll forget. I don't know. Because the stopper is right. Actually, maybe I did make progress. I think this, I don't know if I'm gonna have to take the stopper out to get all the way down here. So you know what? I take that back. Maybe I just make some progress. And then this one we're getting so close. I can't even like really scroll it up. That is the plastic part right there. So, and then maybe I'll dig it out but it's really, really, really close. Like, okay, so that's the plastic part, right? So like right there. So, but again, highlighter is not one of those things that like, I'm just gonna slap this on my face tomorrow and it's gonna be done. So maybe the next month or so. And then I feel like we're getting there with this. And then actually, when I was going for my empties and I was cutting these open, there's a lot more product in here, but I don't think there is because I don't think this one in particular, because I've been pushing it down. This is the e.l.f. Suntouchable Invisible Sunscreen. It's like a silicone-y sunscreen. I think we're getting there. Maybe I want to say probably like the end of this month. It's November right now, by the way. November 9th. Okay, let's talk about some things I did use up. The e.l.f. Lock-It Eyeshadow Primer. This, I also have it. It cracked and there's like product in there, and I was like, I'm tired of, first of all, it was already cracked, and then I'm like, I'm not having to touch this. It's like leaking and it's a pain and it's dried up. So I would say that is an empty. Yeah, I literally have flakes on me. So, and then the e.l.f. Instant Lift Waterproof Brow Pencil in in neutral brown. I cannot twist it up any longer. That's all I got, and it's difficult to use. So I'm gonna call it because it's not even really working. It's not working anymore. So, and then this is not performing the way it used to from V Cosmetic. It's, you know, their eyeshadow primer. It says light medium. I don't know if it comes in other shades. I got this in BoxyCharm, but it is basically, I would say, pretty. I mean, it's still like, it's just not performing the way it was before. And I was like scraping the sides, and I don't know, it's just not the same. So I'm gonna call that one done. So 1, 2, 3. And then the Mob Beauty Cream Clay Eyeshadow in M107. Definitely made a lot of progress on this. I think I had just recently hit pan on it, and we have a huge dip, huge pan. So that's awesome. And I already have a backup in my Cream Clay eyeshadow palette right there. The Mob Beauty Ceramide Cream Foundation. I've just been scraping the sides. I could probably call it soon because I only need a little bit, and I only use this to spot conceal. But I probably could use this all over my face. But I will say, I don't think it's amazing for dry skin. I like it under eyes, I like it under the eyes, even though it is a little thick. But you only need a little bit. And yeah, so hopefully the end of the year, hopefully. And then I am going to call this the e.l.f. lip oil in the shade Honey Kiss. This is going to be done by this week. More and more product as like I turn it, it's coming out. Working on this week, especially the last couple weeks, and I am almost done. It's even it's even hard to get it on the actual doe foot because there's just so little of it. So I've made a lot of progress on that. The Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm, I'm almost done with this. Like I'm having to like really squeeze it out. So this is gonna be done possibly this week. We'll see. So that is really exciting. And then I have the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. Scraping the sides of this. I've had this for 3 years now. This is probably gonna take I don't know if I'm gonna use this up by the end of the year. I wanted to, and I've been putting it in my Shop My Stash a lot. I've been putting this in my Shop My Stash most weeks. I rotate between this one and the collection one. So, I mean, I would like to use this up by the end of the year and try something else, but we'll see. But I'm still scraping the sides. I don't know if you can see any progress. I mean, there is, but it's hard to tell. So that's my Project Pan update. I like watching these. They don't always perform well on my channel. So if you like seeing these from me, let me know by giving this video a like, commenting. Let me know what you've hit pan on, or if you like project pans, or what you're trying to pan yourself or use up. I hope you're having a great day, weekend, or wherever you are. I hope everything is going well. And if not, I will be thinking of you. Subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.